ATUL DiGiTAL's quantum scheduling algorithm.
Construction planning is a pretty difficult and too much time-taking task. All project managers spend their lot of time to make construction schedules, every day, every week, every month and so on. But second most time-taking part is level 3, task sequencing.
And the first one is obviously workforce and resource scheduling.
At most of construction projects, there are only Gantt charts being used as construction planning. But Gantt chart never shows daily workforce schedule.
Gantt charts only shows the activities by start, finish and predecessors.
If we need detailed daily workforce schedule, we have to assign resources to each individual activity. And this will not going to be done automatically by any computer program.
After all this chaos, when you have planned everything day by day and task by task, every time you noticed that there are so many unpredicted incidents at project site, like labor shortage, material stuck on the way, or anything else.
When an unpredicted incident occurs, it'll ruin all of your further plannings for the project. And now, you have to reschedule everything by almost as originally done before.
Presently, there are two most common methods to plan and control construction projects. First is CPM, and other one is PERT.
But CPM cannot effectively handle sudden changes or implementations of the plan on ground. It is very difficult to redraw the entire CPM chart if the project plan suddenly changes midway. And the most important thing is that CPM never produce or forecast daily workforce schedule.
And if we use PERT for active control of a project, PERT requires frequent updating and so many revising calculations. It is an expensive and time-consuming exercise, and requires highly trained and experienced professionals. And after all these expansive requirements, even PERT can't produce daily workforce schedule.
That's why construction scheduling by CPM or PERT methods is a big, time-consuming job. Obviously, this is the reason why planning managers got really nice salaries.
Now, let's move to quantum scheduling.
What is quantum scheduling? This organizing method obtains synchronized outputs from dynamic status of the preceding operations, instead of tally activities by just start and finish moments. Quantum enumerations is the latest and most advanced manner of systematic and most efficient calculations and computing in the present century. Quantum scheduling only needs less than minimum inputs to analyze any project. Quantum scheduling calculates every smallest quantum of progress and possibility at project site,
and generates output reports and action plans instantly by zero efforts.
Quantum scheduling is totally auto-calculative algorithm. It will take barely few minutes to input project quantities in minimized format and click calculate.
Then quantum algorithm performs more than 500,000 unique and complicated calculation steps within seconds to produce output reports instantly.
Let's come to the quantum scheduling algorithm's functionality.
Quantum scheduling algorithm needs only construction quantities and approximate projected or desired time for construction.
And then automatically produce all reports and charts desired for dynamic project planning and control. Practically, this algorithm does not work like an advanced software or a computer program that needs lots of working for outputs, but it performs like a real project manager.
The biggest and exclusive advantage of quantum scheduling is it's easy. Means really easiest for everyone.
We don't need management or planning experience to control really big projects with quantum scheduling.
Quantum scheduling has three dominant working modules. Mode 1. Quantum project scheduling. Mode 2. Advanced project monitoring and quantum controlling. Mode 3. Additional assistance. Let's know about each mode.
Mode 1. Quantum project scheduling.
We just need to enter project quantities in brief. An approximate or desired period of project completion. Then by just click on Calculate button we got detailed task breakdown, activity sequence, event priorities, monthly, weekly, and daily target in extremely user-friendly format, day-wise detail workforce and resource scheduling, optimum resources deployment, procurement calendar, non-consumable and machinery requirement forecast, and the most important thing, cash flow.
Mode 2. Advanced project monitoring and quantum controlling. We only require daily labor report and daily progress report in minimized format. And project schedule, produced in Mode 1 to automatically access these dynamic controls.
Dynamic project timeline. Real-time progress status. Activity-wise advanced tracking. Automatically highlight trailing activities. Daily updated workforce schedule. Exclusive and unique turbo booster function, to recover backlog activities. Reschedule project timeline when needed or commanded. And revised cash flow.
Mode 3. Additional features. Like vendor assignment, staff assignment, skill refreshment schedule, quality assurance schedule, vendor KRA, staff KRA, and critical activities.
Finally, quantum scheduling is the only dynamic method for advanced project planning, scheduling, and controlling.